Hello middle school and welcome to our fourth drama lesson of the Smartest Giant in Town. So today is going to be a really exciting lesson because today is all about dancing. So after last week you sent in some amazing videos of you rapping, singing and dancing. So I thought, gosh, you're so amazing. Today has to be a dancing day. So today we are going to spend the whole morning dancing. So I hope you're ready. Just before we start, there is a checklist of 5 things that we will need. So number 1, you will need a large area. So either in your bedroom or in your living room, somewhere where you can move around and dance. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2, you will need some trainers. So you can have trainers, or you could even do the dancing with bare feet. So it's your choice, but trainers is a good idea. That's number 2. Number 3 is you'll need a water bottle because we've got to stay hydrated. And you might get thirsty during our dancing. So grab some water. That's number 3. Number 4 is you'll need some comfy trousers. So either some leggings or maybe some tracksuit bottoms, something that you can move around and that's really, really comfy, okay? And then the last one, number 5, is a sweat towel because boy, oh boy, are we gonna get sweaty today. So you might need a towel just to make sure that you can wipe your brow every now and then. Well done, I think we're ready. That's perfect. So there's a couple of videos today as per usual. And this is the first video, which is the welcome video and the explanation of the lesson. Then video number 2 is a warm-up. So it's a physical warm-up for you to follow. There's some stretching, there's some moving, just making sure that you're really warm and so that we don't hurt any muscles or hurt any ligaments during the class. So that's video number 2, and the warm-up is to the song Cheerleader. Video number 3 is I've choreographed a couple of specific moves that are quite technical. So I've taken some time to explain them to you so that you can get the technique and the positioning just right, because they're quite tricky. So I thought I'd really like to make them as simplified as possible so that everyone can understand. So that's video number 3. Then video number 4 is the actual dance. And I'm not going to tell you yet what song we're dancing to. I'll keep it a surprise. But the actual dance is video number 4. And obviously, unfortunately, we're not in Founders Hall. And if we were in Founders Hall, we would stop and start and I would help you and we would make sure everybody knew what was going on. We can't do that today. But that's why I'm hoping that video 3 will help you with the really difficult moves in video 4. And then the rest of video 4, it's quite easy to follow. So even if you don't get it absolutely right, just follow along and have some fun. Okay, so those are our 4 videos for today. For homework, I would absolutely love you to send in a video of you dancing. Send in a video of you doing the warm-up. It would make my day. And also what we've decided to do is hopefully when we go back to school is have a lockdown film festival. Because over this time, throughout Hill House, all the children, all the different year groups have been sending us in videos and films about what they've been doing in drama at home. So Miss Wakefield and I thought it would be a fabulous idea if we put all the videos together and made a lockdown film festival that hopefully when this is all over with, your mums and dads can come to Founders Hall and watch. So please send in a video because that means you can be in the Lockdown Film Festival. How cool is that? So please do send in a video. And then the next little bit of your homework is there is an outdoor sensory motor scavenger hunt. It's a mouthful. I'll say it again. An outdoor sensory motor scavenger hunt. Now, it doesn't have to be done outdoors. You can do it inside as well. But it is essentially a scavenger hunt. But instead of going to look for things and picking things up and exploring, you are going to find things that you can move with or move about or move around. So for example, they might be on the list, find something to climb. So if you're outside, that could possibly be a tree. If you're inside, that could possibly be the sofa, okay? There might also be something on there that says, find something to crawl under, okay? That could be maybe a chair if you're inside, or a table. So it's all about our gross motor skills. So this scavenger hunt is making sure that we can move and balance, okay? So all about our gross motor skills. So please do the scavenger hunt, and I've given you a Google Doc. So what you can do is next to each list of items, you can tell me what you did. So you could write there, when it says find something to climb, you can write next to it, I climbed a tree, or whatever it is that you climbed. And again, if you'd like to send me a video of you climbing a tree or a photo of you crawling under a table, I would love that. Because again, that could go into our lockdown film festival when we eventually get back to school. So I hope that's okay. This has been a really long video one, but I hope I just wanted to make sure that everything's clear so you know what you're doing. 4 videos today, 1 for the explanation, 2 for the physical warm-up for you to join in with and have loads of fun, 3, the technical video to explain all the positions and techniques of all the moves, and then number 4 is our song and our dance, just to have a lot of fun too. I can't wait to see your videos. Bye, middle school!